Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem on Newton-Raphson method. The problem is, with the help of Newton-Raphson method, compute 1 upon 31. We'll see the solution here. So the given value we'll consider as, let x is equal to 1 upon 31, or so this, you know that in the Newton-Raphson method we needed differentiation of the given function. So at that time, so differentiation of x will be 0 and differentiation of 1 upon 31 will become 0. So to make or to keep the differentiation correctly, so this above equation x is equal to 1 upon 31, we may write it as, or take the reciprocal of this, that is 1 upon x is equal to 31. Fine. So this is one of the very important step we need to manipulate. Only if the situation is like that, x is equal to any value is there. So at that time we have to plan like that. Then or I can write 1 upon x minus 31 equal to 0. So let f of x is equal to 1 upon x minus 31. So this is the equation now. So this is a function f of x. Okay, then we need to check the roots for this, that is x0 value. So we need to check x0 value. So before that, just I will differentiate. So f dash of x will be, so differentiation of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square, and differentiation of minus 31 is 0, leave it. So we got f of x and f dash of x. So here, why I had taken in this form, if I had taken this directly, x is equal to minus 1 upon 31 as f of x, then differentiation of x will become 0 and differentiation of 1 upon 31 becomes 0. So x will become 1 and 1 upon 31 will become 0. So therefore we will not get any f dash of x. So to make that, to remains that, so I have taken this concept. Now, so with the help of this f of x, f dash of x will apply in the formula. So before that we need to find for the x0 value. So we'll apply the value in x0, that is 1 upon x minus 31. We'll check where the root lies in, then we can find the x0 value from that. Let's see that. So this above equation 1 upon x minus 31 will type here, that is fraction 1 divided by, or else we'll go mode option 7 table, that is fraction 1 upon alpha x minus 31. Then start value is 0, end value I will give 5, step size will be 1. So therefore you can check here, so where it is going to be. So if you check, 1 will be negative, 2 will be negative, 3 will be negative, 4, 5 negative values. So here we are not getting this. So for this, just check here. So once again I will work out. So you can see here we have startingly 1 upon 31. In general, 1 divided by 31, what is there? It is we getting 0.032. So the result is in terms of 0.032, so on. So here, so while preparing a equation for 7, so for this, while preparing the equation, we'll see 1 upon alpha x minus 31, go for equal to sign. So starting value, instead of giving 1, so instead of 1 we have to take, we'll start with 0.01, and end value will give as 0.1 here, and step size I will use 0.01. Fine. So you can find the values like that. So you go and check positive, negative. So you just see here for 0.03 it is coming 2 point positive value, and for 0.04 it is coming negative value. That is, I will note down this. So here for f of 0.03 it is coming positive value 2.333, okay, and f of 0.04, it is -6, so negative value, positive value. Okay, so but you can see here 2.33 is near to 0 if you compare with 6, so I can say that, so let our x naught value will be 0.03. so with the help of this x naught value we can prepare a first approximation. So by Newton-Raphson method, first approximation is that is x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught, and as we know that x naught value, so which is x naught value is 0.03 minus f of 0.03 divided by f dash of 0.03. so I will prepare this equation in calculator so that it will be easy for our calculation. So we'll see here the formula. So remember what is f of x and f dash of x. So with the help of that we need to prepare here. So we'll go for that, that is x naught, that is alpha x minus fraction bracket, so we have to type this 1 upon x minus 31, again fraction box 1 divided by x alpha x minus 31, close the bracket, divided by bracket, again fraction, because f dash of x is minus 1 upon x square, so minus 1 divided by alpha x square. So close the bracket by taking the side cursor and go for calc option. So we know that our x naught value is 0.03. So 0.03 if you give, so initial value, so what answer we getting, just check. So first iteration is 0.0321. So first iteration is x1 is equal to 0.0321. So this is the first approximation. So next we have to prepare for the second approximation now. The second approximation, that is x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So x1 value we got previously as 0.0321 minus f of 0.0321 divided by f dash of 0.0321. So we'll see that by using the help of calculator we'll calculate. So x value will put now what here, 0.0321, and you can check the answer here. So answer is 0.03225. so we'll add it, it will become 0.0323, it will be 0.0323, we got x2 value. If you compare with the x1 and x2, it is no much match, so we will go for one more iteration. So third approximation is x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2, which is nothing but x2 value we got 0.0323 minus f of 0.0323 divided by f dash of 0.0323. So if you apply this value in the calculator, we'll see what answer we are going to get here. So x value is 0.0323, and see the answer here. So 0.0323 up to 4 decimal place will round up, because here fifth place is 5. So if you add here, it will become 0.0323. So x3 is equal to 0.0323. So this is the approximation, third approximation. If you compare with the second and third, so we are getting same. So therefore what we can conclude here, thus the required approximation the required approximation of 1 upon 31 is 0.0323. So in this way we need to simplify a problem like that, that is 1 upon 31 or any number. So in general I can say that, so if any question comes based on for example I can say 1 upon n question is coming, so we need to work out the same procedure. So see that you have to convert it once again, that is x is equal to 1 upon n. So in general I can say that in general, so 1 upon n if they have given, so we have to consider x is equal to 1 upon n, or we have to rearrange it 1 upon x is equal to n, so which implies 1 upon x minus n equal to 0. We have to prepare a equation. So this n will take any number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any number. So based on that we need to work out. So you can see here, so what previous answer we got here, so that I will show you directly. So you just check the answer of 1 divided by 31 in the calculator directly and see the answer. So you getting 0.03225. so if you round up to 4 decimals, 0.0323 you will get directly 1 divided by 31, and by using Newton-Raphson method we got the same here. So in this way we need to work out a problem of such kind here.